Things are changing for county residents living in the Tower Road corridor just west of I-75 in the 32607 zip code, most recently with the addition of the Southwest Health Clinic.
Oh, I think that this will have a major improvement to their lives in terms of getting the proper health care and dental care that they need.
It totally changes the ability of the people in this neighborhood to pull themselves up by their bootstraps.
It's not a real big area out here, but it's an area that we can take control over and implement some things that change all our lives and make the kids' future look a whole lot better.
This is just a dream come true, and it's so exciting for us who've been working so long to see this clinic open.
The clinic is now providing much-needed medical and dental services to local residents.
We'll have clinical care, we'll have communicable disease services, you'll be able to get birth certificates here. The women and infant children, the nutritional supplement program will be here. One of the things we're really excited about here on the Southwest Satellite Clinic is our dental facility and our dental services that we will be providing. In addition to that, of course, we'll have the typical public health services.
This is going to change the face of health in this community. It's going to make it accessible and user-friendly, and it really is going to have a lasting impact in this community.
The clinic opening came nearly 3 years after the opening of the Southwest Advocacy Group, or SWAG's Family Resource Center, located in the same neighborhood. That facility, like the new neighborhood clinic, was made possible through the collaboration of public, private, and nonprofit groups.
About 8 years ago, when it came to our attention that this area was in need of, among other things, public health services, the collaboration between volunteers and the private and public sectors really came together to start the planning process. And what we have today is a facility that is the embodiment of collaboration and a community's vision to bring public health services to Southwest Gainesville.
There was a partnership to come together to do the clinic here. The county commission put funding toward it to make sure it became possible. County purchased the building, did the renovations to the building.
We did a lot of renovation, completely gutted the building, brought in insulation, brought in HVAC system, upgraded it. A lot of work done by a lot of people, a lot of close coordination, a lot of planning, and a lot of cooperation.
When you look at all of the groups that contributed, you had Florida Blue that came forward, you had the Board of County Commissioners, and they've always remembered that to do good in the community, they're spending the citizens' money, and they absolutely spent it well today. And I can't forget to mention the Rotary Foundation. We just can't thank all of those groups and their commitment and their generosity enough.
But it was the community itself and SWAG which was the driving force behind the project.
This area has its issues and it needs certain things, and can't emphasize enough how it was the neighborhood that came to the county and said, we need help. We don't want y'all to do everything. You know, we want to be in charge of, just give us some help, and we'll take it from there.
Over these many, many years, it's turned into just a remarkable grassroots effort that benefit the law-abiding people of this community and give them the services and the safety and the protection that they need.
Prior to the Southwest Clinic, health services were all but unobtainable for many residents who had difficulty accessing transportation to the county health department.
People were taking half a day to get over to the health department. It's difficult to do, number one, and if you don't feel well, it's even that much more difficult. So having this health clinic here is going to be a fantastic addition to the neighborhood.
I'm serious. I mean, I live right down the street, so, you know, very convenient. I mean, very convenient. I thank God for the place. Yeah, I can walk here.
I'm very emotional about this health department opening. Just watching the community come together and seeing the love for the peoples out here, it just made me realize is that we're not a forgotten area.
Not forgotten by a long shot.
Everyone has a stake in what is happening out here. The sheriff's department, the health department, the people who protect children, they all have a stake in what happens out here. So it really made sense for all of us to get in the same boat and row in the same direction.
For Take 5, I'm Alan Yetter.